License all over the place.
Good job.
Excuse you.
Is this a fan club? Are you the Katie fan club?
Do you guys have the program and the red water bottle? Yes.
I know.
She needs to learn her course.
Oh,
Okay. It was,
I think Katie won that event, don't you?
absolutely.
yeah, we voted for him, definitely.
Yeah. The judge was very nice.
Oh,
She goes, do you hear this? The sirens? She goes, stay with her until those turn off.
Oh,
I was like, she goes, stay with her. Is it still there?
John saw one coming before.
Yeah, there was some, well, one vehicle had some lights going on.
Oh, maybe it was
I wasn't
a
sure it
police.
was an ambulance.
Yeah.
There was a police, a fire.
Oh, it was a fire car?